In this next problem, we are asked to find the factors of y squared plus 12y plus 35. This is a trinomial, and we'll attempt to factor this as the product of two binomials. For y squared, the possible factors are y and y. For 35, of course, we'll have 35 and 1, and other than that, we have 7 and 5. Okay, I think we'll settle for 7 and 5 because for the outer terms, we have 5y, and for the inner terms, we have 7y, and that will give us 12y given the appropriate signs. This is positive 35, so the signs of 7 and 5 should be the same. And since this is positive 12, then those signs should both be positive. So to check, we mentally multiply. We have y and y squared. 5y and 7y is 12y, and positive 7 times positive 5 is 35. So these are the factors of y squared plus 12y plus 35.